Hello, good evening, City Council members. My name is Jordan Cohen. I'm a firefighter EMT with the City of Brockton Fire Department in Massachusetts, about 10 miles south of Boston. I've been with the department now about 3 years. I've been in the fire service a total of 5 years. And I'm currently with the Heavy Rescue Company in the City of Brockton for my department. This evening I wanted to talk to you about the critical role fire prevention plays in keeping our city safe. Fire prevention is more than just responding to emergencies. It's about stopping fires before they start. This involves 3 key concepts: education, enforcement, and engineering. Education involves informing the public about fire hazards and safety practices. Enforcement ensures fire codes are followed, and engineering focuses on building structures to prevent the spread of fire. Now let's dive into how these principles are applied in our jurisdiction. In the City of Brockton, Massachusetts, or as we are known, the City of Champions, fire code enforcement is carried out by the Fire Prevention Division. Led by a deputy chief, we conduct regular inspections to ensure buildings comply with local fire safety codes. Our goal is to make sure that both new and existing buildings meet the fire safety standards set by the city and the state. For new constructions, we work closely with developers during the planning phase to make sure everything from fire sprinkler systems to fire exits meet code requirements. Existing buildings are inspected periodically, and owners are required to make upgrades when necessary to comply with the latest safety standards. When it comes to fire resistance of building materials, local organizations like Underwriters Laboratories and the National Fire Protection Association and FPA are key players. They help determine fire resistance ratings for materials used in construction. These materials go through rigorous fire tests, such as burn tests and temperature ratings, to ensure they meet the required safety standards. Fire tests simulate real-world fire conditions, determining how long a material can withstand high temperatures. Materials with high fire ratings, such as fire-resistant doors, walls, and floors, are crucial in preventing fire spread. Especially in commercial and high-occupancy buildings, these fire ratings directly impact our work during inspections, as we must ensure that all fire-resistant materials are in place and properly maintained. Unsafe structures are a significant concern in our area. Buildings with faulty wiring, insufficient fire exits, or deteriorating materials are at high risk for fire. In Brockton, Type 5 construction, which includes wood frame buildings, poses the greatest risk for fire spread, especially in densely populated areas. These structures can ignite quickly and burn intensely, increasing the chances of a conflagration. To combat these risks, we emphasize the importance of plans review and structural control during the construction phase. By thoroughly reviewing building plans and ensuring that fire protection systems are in place from the start, we can address many issues before they become dangerous problems. Structural controls such as fire-rated barriers and automatic sprinkler systems can make a significant difference in slowing the spread of fire and protecting lives. In conclusion, fire prevention is a team effort between the fire department, city officials, building owners, as well as the community by working together to enforce fire codes, improve building safety, and educate the public. And together we can make Brockton a safer place for everyone. Thank you all for your time this evening and for your continued support of fire prevention efforts in our city. Together we can prevent fires before they start and protect the people of Brockton. Stay safe.